you guys, I'm in the car. I decided today that I actually want to do a office reset. I just got done doing some planning at one of my favorite coffee shops, and as soon as I made it home, I'm like, you know what, I do need to get my office together. I have quite a stack of papers that have accumulated over the last 3 weeks or so. I do accumulate paper pretty easily just from being like a stationary girl and bills that I have not switched over to paperless. I know I need to save the environment. So right now I'm just gonna head to the 99-cent store. I'm gonna pick up some simple baskets so that when I go back to my office and I start sorting things, that I could just easily put them in the basket, which will be a sort basket, a trash basket, and a shred basket. Now granted, I could just have piles of paper on the ground and go that route, but I just wanted to be a little bit organized, and because this is something that I would like to do on a quarterly basis or just as needed when things pop up, I just thought it would be a lot cuter if I had designated baskets for those things. So I'm gonna speak to you guys in a little bit when I'm inside Dollar Tree deciding which baskets I want to get. So right now in my head, I feel I'm gonna be gravitating towards the wire baskets. They have cute little gold ones, which my office is kind of like beige and gold and black to a certain extent. So we'll see once we get there. So this is the current state of things. I just have quite a few things on my desk from work, from video stuff I took out of my work bag. On the back side over there, I have a cubby that's filled with papers that I need to go through. So first, I'm gonna put some comfortable clothes on. Then I'm gonna come back, put away the things that actually need to be put away, get out all the papers that I need, and then I'll sit down in a moment and start sorting everything. Side note, I got this from the Dollar Tree when I went in. I bought some expo markers. I actually had some here already, so I was just like, I actually didn't need a few of these colors. And then inside I just have my expo markers. This is a side note for classes that I'm teaching lately. I usually write on the board at some point, and then I tend to gravitate towards stickies in general. So this will just be my kind of to-go pack when I am teaching some sort of class, which I thought was so cute. But back to the stuff for the video. I do not know how I'm properly going to label these baskets. Right now, I do not have any type of label, so I'm just gonna put some sticky notes on the desk. Probably just, you know, classic yellow, since those I don't mind just writing on really quick. And then I have 4 different baskets because I plan on having a work one, since some of that stuff is integrated in there, a shred, a keep, which is file, and then trash. So the difference for me between the shredding and the trash, shredding I will typically do if I feel it has some type of personal information, whether it's account numbers or anything like that. And then just the trash, it's not that important. It doesn't have anything of value on there, so I don't need to waste my time shredding it. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I will probably put on a time lapse as I am sorting the paperwork. I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes to sort. I don't think that it will take that long because it's not that big, and then I will go back and take care of each of the different categories.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest.
So just to keep me on track while I go through and sort everything, I have a 30-minute timer here.
I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way.
It really only took me 10 minutes to go through and sort that big pile. What I'm gonna do now is go through my shred pile, and I have a shredder in here, so I will utilize that. It might take a little bit for each of the bins. I would say there's 3 bins technically, because I have to work. I have to go through and sort that pair stuff up and put it back in its respective place. As far as the shred, I do need to look at the documents more in depth. Some of them have not been opened yet, but I'm pretty sure it's shred because they're older. I don't know how long these papers have been in there. And then the keep file, hopefully I can get that done within 30 minutes, which would just be me filing it either into my desk in here or into financial documents that I have over there. So yeah, let's get started with that. So I finished shredding and throwing away the documents that I need. Now I just have my work pile here that I need to combine like things and then see which ones I need to take back to work and file away in my file cabinet there, or which ones I need to put in my overall work binder, like certificates and things like that.
Could do the things you do just like you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high.
I finished with everything else. I just have to file away my important documents. Now, my important documents are divided up between work, school, health, insurances, car stuff, house stuff, all that good stuff. So right now I'm just going to be filing it away. I will be making another video because I'm going to be doing a financial reset where I go through and I look at all those documents and just keep the most up-to-date ones and then get rid of the rest along with everything else that I do doing that. So hopefully over the next few weeks I can get that accomplished, but right now I'm just going to file this stuff away.